What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. Yep, that's right. Finally doing another driving vlog. Finally went ahead and got a new windshield mount for my GoPro. So I'll be putting a link below to where I got this on Amazon, because it is one of the triple mount ones. It's got 3 suction cups instead of the 1. They said this one is rated for 10 pounds, which is, of course, way overkill for the GoPro. That other one, I don't even think was rated for, like, 2 pounds maybe at most. So that one was like, yeah, it couldn't hold up to the GoPro, and it just kept falling, and I didn't want to keep taking a chance. I figured one of these days something about my GoPro is going to break because it keeps falling. But I wanted to talk about good old Backroads today, because I wanted to make kind of another little vlog. But I guess before I start getting into the vlog subject, let me know what you all think about kind of an upload schedule. Because I'm looking kind of to do like I want to kind of keep 3 times a week for uploading. I don't know what exactly I want to do schedule-wise, though, because I kind of like the idea of 1 video a week just being sort of a vlog where I just talk. No real editing, no effects, just focus on talking about just life in general and cars and other stuff. And then 1 a week where it's kind of like some important news. I don't want to make like a video where it's, 30, 40 minutes of all the car news. I'd rather make just like what is the most important bit of car news to me anyway. I want to make 1 video a week, and then 1 more video. The 3rd video of the week would be like a mod or something about my specific car or cars. That'd be the Tacoma or the Mustang when it gets here. I don't know, let me know what y'all think about an upload schedule. But, so let me know in the comments below about that. But, of course, on to the subject of today's video, and I promise I'll keep this vlog reasonably short, and that is Backroads. Because, let's face it, everyone always likes to talk about going and driving on a good back road. Here I am, I'm driving kind of to a back road right now that I know of. Not really a true back road, but kind of a road where there's less traffic at least. And, of course, I'm always stuck in traffic around here. And, of course, because people always like to tell me the Mustang is a stupid decision because, plain and simple, there's too much traffic around here. And, oh, man, you're never going to be able to use all the power. You'll never be able to enjoy it. And I'm just like, I beg to differ. Because if you go realistically outside of any city, there's at least 1 road where there's just no traffic, and you can actually get up to speed. Well, not speed per se, but you can get up, you can accelerate, you can do everything you want, and you just don't have to worry. It's just, you have a more fun time. And to be honest, that's why I'm buying the Mustang, is for days like that, where I can just go drive out somewhere, just have a little bit of fun and not have to worry about anything. Just for a few minutes actually be driving for fun. Because when I drive, half the time I'm driving to work and I'm in a hurry because I'm either late to work or I need to get to work early or something. I gotta get where I need to go and I'm just hauling ass to get there. Of course, driving creates stress that way. And when I was a kid, my favorite thing to do is when my dad would say, hey, let's go for a ride. Where are we going? We're just going for a ride. And of course, my dad never owned anything exciting. He always had Tacomas or something. But it was just fun. Like, we would just go out driving. We would put the windows down, just enjoy the fresh air. No destination in sight. We'd just go drive some road somewhere, and it was always fun. I always enjoyed that. And I guess I always remember, because maybe that's kind of my secret connection to Tacomas, is that back in the day, out of all the vehicles my parents owned, it was a 1996 Tacoma, which specifically is the only year of Tacoma where it never had a driver's side airbag. So it was the only vehicle at the time that I could actually ride shotgun in. So that was always exciting. Like, I could sit shotgun, look out on the road. Years later, same thing. And of course, we moved to Florida, and then it was like, there's more traffic down here. So maybe it's less exciting, but same thing. We'd go on some backcountry road, sometimes with the radio on, sometimes we'd say, no, let's just enjoy quietness. You turn the radio off and you just listen to the sounds. You listen to whatever the sounds your vehicle makes. And of course, now that's more exciting when you have something like a Mustang or equivalent where you've actually got noise from the vehicle. But it's just, I find it relaxing. I still like to drive sometimes. Now, yes, I live in basically a big urban sprawl, so yeah, I can't really do a lot of driving. Most of the driving I do is, like I said, you're trying to get somewhere, so I know that's kind of a public service announcement, is yes, once in a while in your life, just go for a drive. You don't need to be going anywhere, just drive around. Find yourself a good back road in your area, because like I said, in my opinion, there are decent roads everywhere. Just as soon as you get far enough out of any city, there's country. And damn is it nice sometimes just to go for a drive and not have to worry about traffic, because I like cars, but I really do hate the act of driving. But now that I finally got a decent camera mount, I can actually do driving vlogs. About to go turn onto this nice little back road here. We're sitting at red lights now. It's just like, yeah, you're always sitting at red lights. I've had to explain to so many people about the Mustang that yes, it's not for a commuter car. It's not for driving to work. It's for weekends. Having to explain to people what a weekend car truly means. That's the thing. How to explain car purchases to non-car people. But let me know in the comments section below what you all think of that. What do y'all think? Y'all like to just go for drives once in a while, just finding a nice back road. In fact, I'm behind a Camaro now, and I bet this guy's gonna rip up this back road here. He probably had the same idea I had. But let me know in the comment section below what you all think of nice back roads. Do y'all enjoy a decent back road drive, or what? What do y'all do just to relax when it comes to being a car person? Anyway, if you liked this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, take care. Have a good day. You all missed it. I just turned the camera off and then a group of bikes go by. Same concept. They're just like car people. If they see a back road, they rip up that back road and have some fun. Anyway, again, take care. Have a good day.